Hello friends. Welcome to Current Affairs Review. Topic for today's video is restoring the ozone hole through diplomacy. The ozone layer is a zone in the stratosphere 15 to 35 kilometers above the Earth's surface that acts as an invisible shield against the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays. It protects us against harmful UVB radiation, which endangers human health and animals. The ozone absorbs the UVB radiation and splits oxygen into single oxygen atom, which later recombines again as ozone molecule. Even the UVC radiation is absorbed by oxygen molecules in the stratosphere. Hence, the main ozone depleting substance odds are man-made compounds including halogens. Chlorofluorocarbons are most common odds. When enters the stratosphere, absorbs UV light and releases chlorine atoms. These chlorine atoms deplete up to 1 lakh ozone molecules. With the increasing frequency of chlorine and bromine reaction disturb the balance in ozone layer causing depletion. Even the UVB could disrupt the exchange of carbon dioxide between the atmosphere and biosphere. Furthermore, the increased UVB would diminish the ability of ecosystem to trap carbon dioxide. Overexposure of UV radiation can cause skin cancer and risk of cataracts as well. Scientists Mario Molina and F. Sherwood Rowland's research demonstrated that CFCs can deplete the ozone layer. In response of this finding, the United Nations Environment Programme approved the World Plan of Action on the Ozone Layer in 1977. Finally, a Vienna Convention for the protection of the ozone layer was signed and came into effect in 1988. The convention conducted study and monitoring on the impact of human activities on the ozone layer. Many were dissatisfied with convention as it did not include controls and mitigation process. Finally, Montreal Protocol was expanded to include control measures, which was adopted and came into effect in 1989. The protocol also been intelligently designed to be adjusted and amended as per the scientific evidence. The protocol recognizes countries into groups, Article 2 and Article 5 parties. The former refers to parties with financial and technical means, and latter are referred to developing countries who need assistance to complete their duties. Even the corporate sector has also played a crucial role in the project. Further amendments are included, particularly Kigali Amendment to address hydrofluorocarbons (HFC) and also establishment of multilateral fund. With the implementation of the Kigali Amendment, climatic benefits are also amplified. As a result, 198 nations ratified the Vienna Convention and the Montreal Protocol. It demonstrates the ability to tackle the issue. India ratified both Vienna Convention and Montreal Protocol, as it was classified as a party operating under Paragraph 1, Article 5 of the Montreal Protocol. India was eligible for technical and economic assistance, including technology transfer through the Montreal Protocol's financial mechanism. The Ministry of Environment and Forests established a task force to develop a national strategy. 3 subcommittees were formed, and their report were included in the task force's final report, which served as foundation for India's country program. The ministry established 6 industry sectoral grouping representing the industrial sectors that consume odds. Finally, the country program was approved by the 16th Executive Committee meeting of the Multilateral Fund. India made tremendous progress in phasing out odds. With the proper implementation of Montreal Protocol, the Union Cabinet approved the ratification of Kigali Amendment. By 2023, a national strategy for phasing down HFCs would be created with consultations with all industry players. India will phase down HFCs in 4 stages, with a total reduction of 10% in 2032, 20% in 2037, 30% in 2042 and 85% in 2047. The Ministry of Environment and Forests has been recognized as the National Agency for Protocols Implementation. A specific directorate or ozone cell was established within the ministry to manage and coordinate India's compliance of the Montreal Protocol. An empowered steering committee is also established to formulate and review policy actions for protocols implementation. The ozone cell formed a project management unit to oversee the phase-out of CFCs in the manufacturing sector. India has totally phased out the production of CTC and halons in 2010. Currently, ozone cell is working to phase out the production and use of chemicals and HFCs. Download material for this issue from our website. Please like and share this video. Subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you.